Are you thinking about moving away from Avaya Contact Center to a cloud service? Watch this video before you make up your mind because it's a critical decision that is not easy to roll back. In this video, I'll explain why you should stay with Avaya on-premises solutions instead of moving to the cloud, how you can protect your organization if Avaya experiences another financial strain, and whether this model is future-proof. Staying with Avaya and building your new features on top of your existing infrastructure. Can this bring your business ahead in the competition? And where does the CRM stand in all this? I'll also go through all the new features and use cases you can implement into your existing Avaya infrastructure to make it work better than a cloud service. And finally, I'll go through what we recommend if you definitely have to move away from Avaya to the cloud. Before we go through all the new features you can have in your Avaya Contact Center, let's talk about why keeping your Avaya platform instead of a cloud service is a better option. It's been a good few years since the cloud contact services became available, and we know more about the customer experiences on those services. There are two types of cloud contact center services today: per seat, per month payment option in a shared platform, like a software as a service model, and platform as a service, which isolates your service instance, gives you more data privacy, and priced pay as you use, billed per minute. In the per seat per month option, the biggest challenge is the cost. It is almost like buying a new Avaya call center every year. Because of that, many companies change their cloud contact center providers after a few years to find a cheaper deal or go to a platform as a service model. The other challenge is the service quality. Many businesses report high downtimes for cloud contact centers, which is kind of expected. These services compete with their feature sets so that they constantly add new features, layouts, user interfaces, which require software updates. Also, they are still relatively new in their revenue stream, so you should see them as startups. They may cut some corners to achieve profitability. Because of those reasons, some companies move from the per seat per month option to platform as a service. Let me explain what I mean when I say a platform. These are the services that offer minimum set of contact center features out of the box and expect your organization to work with a software partner to customize your contact center for your business requirements. The cost is pay per minute of the call duration. There is no fixed recurring charge. It sounds like an ideal solution. You can create a fully customized version of a contact center service for your business and you only pay as you use. Everybody's happy. But in practice, there are challenges. These platform services do not offer any support to the customized part of your solutions. You end up having a fully custom code that you need to maintain for years and fix internally. Retaining the continuity of the custom code is a big challenge. It takes longer to fix a custom code and it costs more. And it also takes longer to roll out this model in the first place because you need to do some development work to make the platform ready for production. And in the long run, it costs almost like the per seat per month service model. Finally, there are data privacy challenges affecting both options. 95% of the data worldwide today is private, and with the new AI enhancements, your data is much more valuable than ever. If someone gets hold of your customer service data, they can easily create a competitive business within hours. So keeping the data under your control is much more important than any other challenges that I mentioned. But sometimes the reason to move away from Avaya to the cloud has nothing to do with the cloud services or the recent trends. Many businesses are worried about Avaya's recent Chapter 11 experiences and concerned that Avaya itself may not survive as a company. Our recommendation is this: as long as you stick to the Avaya core applications, that is Communication Manager, Session Manager, AES and CMS servers, and avoid any new services and applications from Avaya, your risk will be much less than being in a cloud contact center service. No matter what happens to Avaya as a company, core features such as Avaya Communication Manager, Session Manager, CMS, AES will always be maintained by the new owners because of its huge install base worldwide. There are many companies government agencies, banks that will never move to the cloud. It is all about managing the risk by distributing the responsibilities among multiple vendors. But is this future-proof? Let's talk about that. There's an emerging trend that medium to large businesses are moving back to on-premises, and at least they are trying to reduce the cloud services into a managed hosting service. By using OpenShift Kubernetes technologies, you can have zero downtime hosting environment. Kubernetes is the next generation hosting technology, and OpenShift is the Red Hat version of Kubernetes with enterprise support. Cloud services like Microsoft Azure offer managed OpenShift services, and you can run this simplified new hosting model with much lower cost. OpenShift Kubernetes will take over from VMware and will be the new virtualization model for your software applications. In this new era, Avaya has an advantage. Unlike the competitors like Genesys and Cisco, Avaya's core contact center apps are running in Linux operating systems, which is the main requirement for Kubernetes and OpenShift. Once Avaya starts supporting Kubernetes for Communication Manager, AES, Session Manager, and CMS, you will have a zero downtime environment using your existing Avaya technology. But where does the CRM stand in all this? After all, CRM is an important part of the customer service operations with the screen pops and callback lists and other features. Many organizations want to move to the cloud so that they can run agent call features inside the CRM pages. There will be significant changes in the CRM market, and on-premises CRM solutions will take over. CRM is basically a hosted database with web interfaces designed for different business functions, industries, and markets. Today, there are many open source CRM databases that you can use and communicate with them using AI chatbots. With AI, you do not need a web interface designed for a specific function or a market. You can chat with your CRM database using text to SQL AI features, and you can update your customer data on the fly. Next generation customer service agent experience will be an agent portal that is integrated with CRM database for screen pops, tasks, and other features. You will have full access and control of your CRM database and run it on premises on your OpenShift Kubernetes infrastructure. Comstice can help you to create your on-premises CRM platform with AI support as well. Let's look at all the new features and popular use cases you can have in your Avaya Contact Center platform. Everything you will see here can be run on-premises, or Comstice can host them for you as well. Here are the missing features that many businesses are looking for. An agent web phone so that you don't need any physical phones, soft phones, or VPN installed on agent PCs. Real-time dashboards, cradle-to-grave reports, scheduled reports, and daily insights by email, and overall automated performance reporting in order to focus on first contact resolution and agent occupancy. Workforce optimization, including the mobile app for the agents and the team leaders. An app store for your Avaya contact centers to package different features as apps and grant access to your agents, team leaders, and other stakeholders. Monitoring the real-time contact center activity using a mobile app, and sticky note desktop application for your agents that stays on the screen all the time and shows your agents the queue activity and their current state real time. We will also look at some use cases like how to extend customer calls and chats to your employees and your partner network using a mobile softphone app, how to use AI easily with Avaya Contact Center so that you can chat with your reports, offer self-service using voice and chatbots, and finally, where CRM stands among all these, how CRM is evolving today, which may affect your customer service strategy. The most important feature you're missing today is to be able to log in as an agent from a web browser, change the state, make and receive calls without installing any software on agent PC and any VPN needed. Comstice Agent Portal integrates with Avaya AES for the agent login, state changes, and call control features. It also includes a WebRTC phone on the browser. We convert the session to SIP using Comstice WebRTC to SIP gateway and integrate with Avaya Session Manager. You can check out the datasheet for more details about Avaya Agent Portal by Comstice. Other features include real-time dashboards, agent and team scorecards, shift scheduling, real-time adherence, cradle-to-grave reports, call tracker reports, repetitive call analysis, outbound campaign features, and team calendar. We combined all those features under Comstice AppStore so that your users can access the apps they are permitted using this portal. You can package many reporting and dashboarding features as well as the workforce management functions. Comstice also offers workforce optimization solution with a recording and a feature-rich mobile app for the agents so that they can see their shift details, get mobile notifications during the shift about when to take a break and get back online, swap shifts and access to their performance reports using this app. Also at Comstice, we offer mobile softphone app for the field staff and customer-facing employees. Microsoft Teams mobile app may be useful for internal communications, but Comstice Mobile Softphone offers features for customer-facing employees and the partners. You can distribute customer calls to any employee and to your partner network with this mobile softphone app. They can protect their mobile phone numbers and display company DID numbers in the mobile calls for the customers. CRM, we offer two options. We can integrate CRM into your agent portal so that you don't need CRM accounts for your agents. They can still get screen pop and click to call, but without logging into the CRM pages. Other option is to run Comstice webphone inside the CRM pages. That obviously requires a CRM account for every single named agent. But there is also a shift from the cloud CRM services to on-premises CRM solutions with click-to-call features. Using AI, you can chat with your on-premises CRM data from Microsoft Teams. You can receive your daily tasks on the chat and other apps. You can also get answers to your sales questions from your on-premises CRM platform. Comstice My CRM solution can help you to migrate from your cloud provider to an on-premises CRM solution with full access of your data via Teams chat on the web and on the mobile. So how can we make this all happen for your organization? What does it take to roll out a solution like this? Days, weeks, months? Rolling out Comstice apps is relatively straightforward. All the Comstice solutions are running on Linux virtual servers as Docker containers. You can run it on your local virtualization environment or Comstice can host it for you. We have SOC 2 and ISO certified Kubernetes Openshift-based zero downtime hosting environment. This can be connected to your network via site-to-site VPN. You can find the roles and the responsibilities and a sample project plan on the datasheet in the product pages. You may be wondering, how can this be secure if a remote agent logs in without any VPN? Yes, it is even more secure than Microsoft Teams. Comstice offers a remote login server running on your DMZ network. This server helps remote agents to log in and authenticate themselves using single sign-on with multi-factor authentication. It is directly between your Comstice servers and your SSO servers. Your Avaya setup doesn't need to be SSO enabled. If the remote agent is authenticated, Comstice remote login server whitelists the public IP address of the remote user for 10 hours. Any traffic that will be received from that IP will be permitted for 10 hours. There are also DDoS mitigation features on this Comstice remote login server, including rate limits and geolocation-based access restrictions. In the end, you will not expose any internal Avaya system to the public internet. Using IP whitelisting, DDoS and multi-factor single sign-on features, your web access will be more secure than any cloud service. But what happens if your leadership has made a strategic decision and, despite all the risks, they decided to move away from Avaya Contact Center to a cloud service? We recommend Comstice Orbit. It is built on AWS and offers a wide range of features. The pricing is much more flexible than per seat per month, and it is not a shared service. A dedicated instance for your business that you can have full control and ownership of your data on your private cloud. At Comstice Orbit, there are core services such as agent interfaces, IBR speech-to-text, text-to-speech, dashboards, and the mobile apps, and also there are AI assistants. These AI assistants are specifically trained for CRM, workforce management, historical reporting, outbound dialer, IVR bots, social media, customer chat, and customer email handling. You can have full control of your data, eliminate any CRM subscriptions, and have unlimited CRM users, workforce management accounts, social media sessions, and outbound dialer agents. Comstice Orbit is the next generation customer experience management approach. It is for an AI-powered customer service with real people. Whatever your decision is to move forward in the customer service technologies, staying with Avaya or going to the cloud, schedule a call with Comstice today and we can share our recommendations and our pricing options, including full customer service outsource model with a talent marketplace, and explain how we can achieve your business goals using these options.